About 82 or 83, I drove an ambulance. First, I was an attendant, then I was promoted to driver for Goodhue Ambulance in Los Angeles. Um, there was only one option for the lights, which is the standard rolling red, but you had four options for the siren. Most of the time, going from point A to point B, you use the standard one everybody's used to hearing. It's that. So it's very slow up and down. One of the major causes of accidents between first responding vehicles is you're approaching an intersection in a cop car. They've got a siren on. Fire truck coming this way. They've got a siren on. They can't hear each other. So when you get to an intersection, you are supposed to switch sirens. I would usually at that point go to the woo woo, the woo 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 woo, because that really gets people's attention. That anyway. You had another option, which was the growler. If maybe somebody was a little slow getting out of the way, or some people like freeze up when they hear a siren, stop. The growler is a button on the floor on the left. You hit that, and it goes, and that's effective in its own way. The fourth siren we were never supposed to use around the Fairfax district, so I just never used it just to be safe. And that one is the high-low, which you might remember from World War II movies. Uh, that was the siren that the SS used. One day, when I was still an attendant, we got a call to the Fairfax district. It was non-emergency, just transferring a convalescent home patient from one con home to the next. We get there, put the patient on the gurney in the back. Driver starts on our way, and I'm in the back as the attendant. I need to write down blood pressure, respiration, and pulse to present to the nurse when I arrive. So this is a very old man. His skin was like crepe paper and almost translucent in some places. At his wrist, his vein was just as blue. Well, when I picked his wrist up and turned it over to take his pulse, there was 6 or 7 blue numbers tattooed in like a child's scrawl. It's barely even legible. He said, "Do you know what that means?" And I said, "Yes, sir, I know." I've been fortunate enough in this life never to have seen a swastika in public in any form, not on a flag, not on a tattoo. If I ever see a swastika, what I see is a target. If I ever see a man with a swastika tattoo, either I am his or he is mine.